Because you suppress, everything just explode right now.
Mean me a suppress? Me not suppress nothing, you know. Tell you this. What happen already.
Are the same mentality and the attitude there? Make what happen now, happen.
Come here. Nothing nah happen. I work. I mean, just a focus for do what me I do.
What kind of focus you talk about? I just clean up, you know? And you deal with Kamisha like say the site you depend.
Yo, me not see that. I mean, I know what you talk about.
Babe, when I say touch me, when I say be intimate with me, you know, so that I'm a love language. Like really, when last we have sex?
I mean, last week. I mean,
Exactly. You know where you start doing nighttime now? Turn on your side, hug up your pillow. Me not exist in your world no more. And last night, I come out here, come sit down right there so I play with stone.
tell you the truth, you know, Camille. I never even realized that, you know.
That is it. You're not gonna realize. You know why? Because your mind preoccupied and you're non-talk.
Right now, the only thing my mind preoccupied with, you know, I don't have Caldo, I don't have FDR.
Stop lying to yourself. Because you know say down a call the tour is alright. And as soon as the place open, FDR, business back up and running. Stop lying to yourself, man, and talk about it because you know say a nice rest by your head. Babe, it's natural to feel how you feel. Because as somebody we have a history with, this is somebody where they probably love. So if you not talk about it, it's gonna get worse, you know. Just open up. Please, me, I beg you. You see, if you don't want to talk to me, you can talk to your friend about it.
Come here. Tell you this. You see, I could have lived with the fact, say, yeah, I want her out of my life. And, you know, she moved God somewhere else and she stopped dealing with me and all of that. The fact, say, she gone and she no longer with me. It just feel different. Just not feel right.
It's death, Trevor. It's when you not get to say all of the things them way you did want to say, and them not there you're no more. Take it from me. It eats you from inside out.
Oh. And I said, me did have something I want to say to her.
Babe.
It's just...
Babe. What must about being honest with yourself? Tell me the truth. You never did have something to say towards the facts they used to talk to her so rough. And you not give her a chance.
Well, yeah. Me did want talk to her and show her, say, boy, yo, here. More will come to a amicable solution and sort out this way going between me and you. The tag and war. Seeing? Me just want her to just, you know, go for her way and me go my way and everything just alright. I just them something that me didn't want to talk to her about. And make sure say she alright and everything good between.
But now she gone, and that can't happen no more. And it's a eat you up, not true.
Yeah.
I understand. But now you get it off of your chest, I guarantee you're going to start feel better.
Don't I feel better already? Let me ask you something. How you deal with this? How you take this so calm? Knowing say me and Nicey did my dealings and all of them thing and me I behave them way and all of that. How you calm so?
You have to understand, say, in life, you have to choose what you give energy to on a negative level and what you give energy to on a positive level. Look at it. Remember, after she do what she do, but I forgive her. And as a woman, I understand everything what she go through. So I put myself in her shoe and know say the same thing could happen to me. So I forgive her grace, cause me would want back grace.
So let me ask you something. When you did thump her down, a grace you did I use?
That different. She messed with my child. All bets off when it comes to Kamisha, and you know that.
So the way I talk to Kamisha a while ago, I lucky say you never come out here come thump me down.
I will tell you, and that me that come out I come do. But I true she stand up in there, and that save you.